chapter, we have learned Fisher's index number method, and also we have discussed why this method is called ideal index number, because it satisfies major two tests, that is called time reversal test and factor reversal test. We have done the practice of the Fisher's ideal index number also, but sometimes the questions are in different form as I have written on the blackboard. Sometimes directly the price of base year, quantity of base year, price of current year, quantity of current year is not given. Sometimes they give the total expenditure. They may give the one price of base year and giving the total expenditure, or sometimes this also, that they give the quantity of the current year, total expenditure is given. So at such kind of the questions, what should be carrying out to solve the Fisher's ideal index number. So I have written an example. The base year is 2020. Article is A, B, C, D, E. The price of the base year is 10 rupees, 15 rupees, 8 rupees, 20 rupees and 50 rupees. Total expenditure is given. Previous question, in previous video we have discussed, directly P0, Q0 was given, P1 and Q1 was given. But in this case, the price of base year is given and total expenditure is given. So we should be careful. Here the total expenditure means P0, Q0 is given, and current year, price of the current year also given, and here also given the total expenditure. It means this is P1, Q1 is given. So don't be treat it as a Q0 and this one is Q1. This is P1, Q1, this is P0, Q0. So you should be careful. If total expenditure is given, then you have to check, and firstly you have to calculate value of Q0 and Q1, then you have to solve the problem. So this is P0, Q0. So firstly we will getting the total of this, that is 100 plus 75 plus 80 plus 60 plus 500. So this is 815. That is sigma P0 Q0. Then 144 plus 120 plus 110 plus 50 plus 540 is given. So that is 964. That is sigma P1 Q1. Now getting value of Q0, that is sigma P0 Q0 divided by P0. So 100 divided by 10, that is 10. 75 divided by 15, that is 5. 80 divided by 10. 60 divided by 20, that is 3. And 500 divided by 50, that is 10. So this is the Q0. Now Q1 value, that is sigma P1 Q1 divided by P1. So 144 divided by 12, that is 12. 120 divided by 20, that is 6. 110 divided by 10, that is 11. 50 divided by 25, that is 2. And 540 divided by 60. So this value will be 9. So now we are having the value of P0 Q0, we are having P1 Q1. Now we require P1 Q0 and P0 Q1. So for P1 Q0, this is P1, this is Q0. So P1 Q0 calculate. 12 multiplied by 10, that is 120. So you should be having attention on this, how to calculate. It's very important. So this is P0 Q0, P1 P0 Q0 or P0 is given. Okay. So firstly P1 and Q0, 120. 20 multiplied by 5, that is 100. Next 10 multiplied by 10, that is also 100. 25 multiplied by 3, that is 75. 60 multiplied by 10, that is 600. So that is 995. Okay. Then P0 Q1, this is P0 and this last one is Q1. So first one is 120. 12 multiply 10. 15 multiply 6. That is 90. Next 8 multiply 11, that is 88. 20 multiply 2, that is 40. 50 multiply 9, that is 450. So the total is 788. That is sigma P0 Q1 and this is sigma P1 Q0. For getting Fisher ideal index number, we now 10 multiplied by 11 divided by 00 multiplied by 01. So P01, that is under root sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 multiply sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 multiply by 100. So getting the value of P01, that is P1 Q0 is 995 upon P0 Q0 815. P1 Q1 is already given, that is P1 Q1 964 and P0 Q1 we have calculated, that is 788 multiplied by 100. So getting that is 995 multiply 964 divided by 815 divided by 788 equal to, and getting the under root 122.21. So answer will be 122.21. So the value of P01, that is 122.21. So this is the Fisher's ideal index number. So you should be care. You should be care about the difference in this. The very first, that is P0 Q0. This is P1 and P1 Q1 is given. Already we have discussed. By dividing this P0 Q0 divided by P0, you will get Q0. Similarly, P1 Q1 divided by P1, you will get Q1. Then what we have done? We have calculated P1 Q0. This is P1, this is Q0. So 12 multiply 10, 120. 20 multiply 5, 100. 10 multiply 10, that is 100. 25 multiply 3, that is 75. 60 multiply 10, this. Then we calculate P0 Q1. So the value of P0 and Q1, 10 multiply 12, that is 120. 15 multiply 6, this is 90. 8 multiply 11, that is 88. 20 multiply 2, that is 40, and 50 multiply 9, this. So we are getting, and after putting the formula of Fisher, that is under root P01 is under root sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 multiplied by sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 multiplied by 100. We have, by putting the value, we have get the value, that is 122.21. Now we have to check the test of significance. For getting the significance test, the first test is, that is called time reversal test. First one is time reversal test. Time reversal test, P01 guna P10 is equal to 1. That is time reversal test. So value of P01, that is sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 multiplied by sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1, and P10, that is sigma P0 Q1 divided by sigma P1 Q1, sigma P0 Q0 divided by sigma P1 Q0 multiply, not required. So what is here? This is the price index of current year on the base of base year, and this is the price index of base year on the current on the basis of current year. So what we are doing? P01, that is, and P10. So 1 converted to 0, 0 converted to 1, 1, 1 converted to 0, 0, 0, 0 converted to 1, 1, and 0 converted to 1 and 1 converted to 0. So the value of P0, what we have calculated, so here we will see that P01 is P1Q0. P1Q0 is 995 divided by 815 multiply by 964 divided by 788, and this value 10. This is 788 divided by 964 P0Q1 multiply 815 divided by 995. So getting P01 guna P10, we were having this value 995 upon 815 multiply 7964 divided by 788 multiply by 788 964 multiply by 815 995. So that is cancel 995 788 964 814. So P01 multiply P10, that will be 1. So first test, time reversal test, is satisfied by the Fisher-Seidel index number. Similarly, for the factor reversal test also, there is no problem for the factor reversal test also. That may be also satisfying by this. So for factor reversal test, for getting the factor reversal test, that is P01 multiply Q01, that is sigma P1Q1 divided by sigma P0Q0. It means the multiplication of the price index and quantity index is equal to sigma P1Q1 divided by sigma P0Q0. Or we can say the multiplication of the price index and quantity index is equal to the total expenditure of the current year divided by the total expenditure of the base year. So P01, that is sigma P1Q0 divided by sigma P0Q0 multiply by sigma P1Q1 divided by sigma P0Q1. For Q01, we make to Q to P, P to Q. So Q0, P0, P1, Q1, P0, Q0, Q0, P0, P0, Q0. Similarly, for P1, Q1, for Q1, P1. Similarly, for Q1, P1, P0, Q0. So we are having value of P01, that is called 995 divided by 815 multiply by 964 divided by 788, and Q01, that is 788 divided by 815 multiply 964 divided by 995. So getting P01 guna Q01, that is 995 divided 815 multiply 964 divided 788 multiply by 788 divided by 815 multiply 964 multiply 995. So 995 up and down, 788 up and down. So P01 guna Q01 is equal to sigma 964 raised to power 2 divided by sigma 815 raised to power 2. So is equal to sigma 964 divided by sigma 815, because square converted, square will be cancelled with square root. So there will be sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q0. So with the help of this, we can easily calculate the value of this. So I think you may be learned, if in case the questions are given in the form of total expenditure, then no problem at all. the very first, if total expenditure is given of the base year, it means P0 Q0 is given. If the total expenditure of the current year is given, then it means P1 Q1 may be given. So with the help of this, you may learn how to calculate Fisher idle index number in such kind of the case. One more question related to the same value we will do one more question. So we will having the expertizations in case such kind of the question is over there, where the total expenditure is given. One more questions similarly with the Fisher's idle index number. In this question, the base year price is given, that is 5 rupees, 2 rupees, 4 rupees, 4 rupees, and total expenditure of the base year is given 250, 200, 240 and 280. The current year quantity is given, not the price is given, quantity is given, that is Q1, that is 60, 80, 50 and 60, and the total expenditure of the current year is given. So in this total expenditure means this is given P0 Q0 and this is given P1 Q1. So we should having understand P0 given, P0 Q0 given, Q1 given, P1 Q1 given. So the very first we will get the value of this first one, that is 250 plus 200 plus 240 plus 280, that is 970. 970, that is sigma P0 Q0 is given. Next, P1 Q1 600 plus 160 plus 300 plus 600. So that is 1660 sigma P1 Q1 is given. Okay. Now we want to Q1. So Q1 is equal to, firstly Q0 is equal to sigma Q0 for Q0, P0 Q0 divided by P0. So 250 divided by 5, that is 50. 200 divided by 2, that is 100. 240 divided by 4, that is 60. And 280 divided by 4, that is 70. So calculation of Q0 is over there. Next, Q1 already given. So P1, that is sigma P1 Q1 divided by Q1. Here Q1 given, P1 Q1 given. So 600 divided by 60, that is 10. 160 divided by 80, that is 2. 300 divided by 6. 600, this 10. Now we want P1 Q0 and next we require P0 Q1 only. So for getting P1 Q0, P1 is this and Q0 is this. 60 multiplied by 10, that is 600. 80 multiplied 2, that is 160. 50 multiplied 6, that is 300. 60 multiplied 10, that is 600. It may be equal to P1 Q1. Okay, againly we should having some difference may be over there. P1 and Q0. So this is P1 and this is Q0. Okay. That is P1 Q0. P1 Q0 500, 200, 360, 700. So 1400 plus 360, 1760. Next, P0 Q1 is required. P0 is here and Q1 is here. P1 and P0 and Q1 require. Okay. 300. Okay. 8 2 ja 160. 5 4 ja 200. 6 4 ja 240. So that is 300 plus 160 plus 200 plus 240. So 900 is over there. So 900. So for that, getting the value of this, the value of this is, first one is 970, okay, then 1660 is okay, then 900 is okay, and 760 is okay. Okay, now in these questions they have asked, firstly calculate the price index. First one, Fisher price index. First of all, we are to calculate the value of Fisher price index. We are to calculate. Okay, so Fisher's price index P01, that is 10 multiply 11 divided by 00 multiply 01. So that is sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 multiply sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 multiply by 100. So P01, the value P1 Q0, P1 Q0 is 1760 divided by P0 Q0 970 multiply by P1 Q1, P1 Q1, that is 1660 divided by P0 Q1, P0 Q1, that is 900 multiply by 100. So that is price index. Price index 1760 multiply by 1660 divided by 970 againly divided by 900 equal to, getting the under root, 182.93, 182.94. So the value of P01, that is 182.94. Now quantity index, second quantity index Q01 is required. So Q01 value is sigma P0 Q1 120021 divided by sigma P0 Q0 multiply by sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P1 Q0. For getting this, P0 Q1 900 divided by 970 multiply by 660 divided 176. So this will be called quantity index. So 900 for what we have done, for quantity index converted P1 to Q0. P1, some difference may be over there. This is P1, so Q1, okay, Q0 to P0, okay, P0 to Q0, P1 to Q1, it's okay. So 900 multiply 1660 divided by 970 againly divided by 1760. So the value having the under root 93.54, 93.54. So Q01, that is 93.54. This is quantity index. This is price index and this is quantity index. Now for Fisher ideal index number, we are having two tests, that is factor reversal test and time reversal test. So for quantity index, if quantity index is asked in the question, you can having this form to calculate quantity index. Next, for Fisher ideal index number, we are having first one, that is called time reversal test. First is time reversal test. Time reversal test is index number of current year on the basis of base year and index number of the base year on the basis of current year. The multiplication is 1. So P01 guna P10, already I have done 2-3 times. Sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 multiply by sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 multiply sigma quantity index 1 P0, this 1 to 0, this 0 to 1, divided 0 0 to 1 1 P1 Q1, 1 1 to 0 0 P0 Q0, divided by P1 Q0. So that will be, the value of this will be P1 Q0 1760 divided by 970, multiply 1660 divided by 900, multiply by 900 divided by 1660, multiply 970 divided by 1760. 1760 to 1760, 900 to 900, 1660 to 1660, 970. So root 1, that is 1. So P01 guna P10 value is 1. So that is called time reversal test, and the Fisher's ideal index number always satisfy this time reversal test. So many times I have explained this time reversal test, so you maybe learn how to calculate the time reversal test. One last, that is called factor reversal test. One last test which is to be discussed, that is called factor reversal test. Second test is factor reversal test. For factor reversal test, price index multiplied by quantity index should be equal to total expenditure on the current year divided by total expenditure of base year. So the multiplication of this, that is sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 multiplied by sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 multiply sigma P0 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q0 multiply sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P1 Q0. So putting the value of this is price, this is P01 and this is Q01. Already we have discussed. So that is 1760 divided by 970 multiply 1660 divided by 900 multiply by 900 divided by 970, 1660 divided 1676, 1760 900 to 900. So that is 1660 raised to power 2 divided by 970 raised to power 2. So equal to 1660 divided 970, and this is equal to sigma P1 Q1 and this is equal to sigma P0 Q0. So we can say P01 guna Q01 is equal to sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q0. So both tests satisfy by the Fisher ideal index number. So this, with the help of this video, you may be learned how to calculate Fisher ideal index number if total expenditure is given. Sometimes the questions are in the form that base year price is given, total expenditure given, current year quantity is given, total expenditure is given. So in such kind of the case, you should be having careful that what is given. Don't treat is that so many times I have seen then in examination student treat P0 Q0 P1 Q1 P1 and they do the wrong, and they have they may be thinking that we have done right question, but the examiner doesn't give the marks to us. So this is the blunder mistake generally student is do in this Fisher ideal index number. That's why I have taken these two questions, so that you may be learn what is the problem in this Fisher ideal index number is over there. So I think this video will be helpful to now some whatever mistakes a student can done in Fisher ideal index number. So watching this video, I think you may be able to do the correct calculations of Fisher ideal index number. Thank you.